You guys are gonna get sick of seeing me like this, but I'm pre-filming because your girl is doing her job, okay? And that has nothing to do with this video. Hey guys! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kerry. I'm so very flat. Oh my, it's a little bit scary. And yes, I am bringing you yet another Splendies video 2 weeks after April's. I just got my Splendies package super soon and I'm actually really happy because when you guys are watching this video, I should be on vacation. So I'm happy. Shout out to Splendies because they're helping me to pre-film, okay? I'm not going to make this intro super long at all and this video is not going to be super long, so I'm sorry if I'm depriving you guys of this week's weekly vlog, but there will be a vlog for vacation, just like there was one before this one for preparing for vacation. But regardless, today's video is going to be my Splendies unboxing and haul for the month of May. But before we get into everything, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel as well as turn on the post notification bell. That way you never miss when I upload a new video. And feel free to follow me on my social media handles at Glamanisto8 pretty much everywhere. That way you can see behind the scenes looks on all the girly glam and slightly ratchet parts of my life. But other than that, we're gonna get right into today's Splendies haul. Okay guys, if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm sorry, I'm super random, I'm all over the place, but welcome. I do girly glam and slightly ratchet things on this channel, and one of my favorite things to do each month is to give you guys a haul on my Splendies package because you guys really like these videos and it's just really fun to kind of share cute underwear with each other, as weird as that sounds when you say it out loud. Splendies is an underwear subscription service in which you get 3 pairs of underwear sent to you every single month, and you can customize the size, you can customize the fit, the shape of the underwear. It's so great of a subscription that I've had it for over 2 years now, and I really love just unboxing my 3 pairs and giving you guys a quick video on what's to come for each month. So here are my May Splendies. I don't know what the theme would be for May. Oh, but these have hearts on them. Cute little heart tissue paper, and of course I get my 3 different pairs. Also, I should mention that Splendies does also give back, okay? If you share your Splendies package on social media, anywhere, and you use the hashtags give a pair and Splendies, they will give a pair to someone in need, which I love. We love people who help others, okay? Guys, these are beautiful. These are beautiful and bright, and I am ready for the spring summer realness. So first pair of underwear is a thong. You guys know I love the thong song, but I'm not a huge thong fan. However, I will say when Splendies does send me thongs, they at least send me cute ones. So I can't be completely mad, and thongs do come in handy when you don't want to share your lines of your underwear when you're wearing like tight bottoms, leggings, etc. These are really cute. I definitely will be keeping these and wearing these. These are this bright teal color. It actually looks more blue on camera, but it looks a little bit more on the green spectrum in person. But this is cute. It's cotton material, so it's nice and healthy and breathable. It has the lace lining and the bow, which I love, but I really love the back. The back, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is mesh. It's see-through and it's polka dotted. How adorable is that? Next pair is a like boxer brief type of style. What do you call this? It's not really bikini, but I guess boy short, maybe? I don't know. It's definitely not a thong, which I appreciate. But this is so cute. Look at this. This is like the month of May as a pair of underwear. Again, the bottom part is this cottony material and it has this cute floral pattern, and then the top is a thick lace and this is super stretchy. I don't know if my butt is gonna fit in this, to be honest, but we will try. And that's what counts. Last pair I think I'm most excited about, and I'm really surprised because this doesn't really look like my typical style, but it screams spring summer realness. This is a bikini style pair of underwear, and look at it, it's so cute. So the center is cotton again, and this is a beautiful light blue color. It's so pretty, pastel, and then the lace around everything is this cool tie-dye pastel pattern going on, which I think is so cool. I've never seen underwear like this. I think this is so cute. It's very girly. I love it. So yeah, those are the 3 pairs of underwear that I got for the month of May from Splendies. Thank you again to Splendies for always having the cutest underwear. Literally like 90% of my underwear drawer is from Splendies now, and I don't even have to think twice about, oh, I need to replace my underwear, because I know I'm getting a subscription every month, so you don't have to think about it. It's like one less thing you have to worry about. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, let me know in the comments which of these 3 pairs is your fave, and if you've tried Splendies before, let me know how it's going. Let me know what your thoughts and feelings are about using the subscription service. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!